Cooking with the Always pan is an absolute joy, so let me show you my chicken paella recipe. Now, I was gifted this incredible pan and I feel so good about it because it's made with post-consumer recycled aluminum and does not include any harmful toxins, which is magical considering that this is a fully non-stick pan that you can use stovetop and put in the oven with no problem. And not only is it an exceptionally functional pan, but it is just gorgeous. I love cooking in this. I love seeing my final dishes in it. It is ready for a show. It is ready for me to host and make so many delicious meals like this one. My family absolutely loves it, and it's so easy to make. Now, here's what you get with the pan: an incredible top, a steamer tray, and the birch spatula actually hooks onto the pan, which is fully non-stick and so easy to clean. Fabulous.